Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove programs that cannot be uninstalled. So for the majority of part, uninstalling programs are pretty simple. You just go to settings, add remove, or settings apps, installed apps, and then you can just select what you want. Let's just say this one, and then uninstall. For the most part they work, but from time to time you can encounter a program that is difficult to remove. It just always shows up for some reason and isn't able to be removed. So there's actually a pretty easy fix for that. You want to just basically go to this link, right? It's from Microsoft, right? And you want to download this troubleshooter. I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can just download it straight from there. So it's saying it's blocked, but you know, this is from Microsoft, right? So it is supported, so we want to keep it. And let's open the file. All right, so now we are over here. So we can do apply repairs automatically. Do next. It's going to detect any problems, and then it's going to just ask you some questions. So let's say uninstalling, registry for patch related problems. So it's just going to check its usual things, right, and make sure everything is fine. There's nothing wrong with the settings on Windows, something didn't get screwed up. So and most likely the reason that is the reason, right? And it does fix it for the most part. So you guys, this should be the first place to check out if you guys have encountered this problem. It does take a couple minutes, so I'm going to just pause this and resume it when it's completed. So once it scans the finished scanning, right, it'll give you a list of programs, and it'll basically let you select what you want to install. And you can just go here and select. I don't really want to install any of these, so I'm not going to select it. But basically, you select what you want to install, press next, and then it will basically uninstall it for you if that's the issue you have. All right, and it's pretty simple, easy to use. It is a trusted program. I don't know why it's a Windows or Microsoft Edge says that. I'm using Edge. Maybe if you're using another browser, that error won't come up. But it's totally safe. It's from the Microsoft website, so you don't really need to worry about it being some shady program or anything. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can check it out. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Other than that, peace out.